It's Aline Hicks from the Lombard Agricultural Society, and today I'm going to do for you microwave bread and butter pickles. They are so easy. This recipe came from one of our longtime Fair Board members, Carol Joint, and I've been making it ever since, and my grandchildren love these pickles. So I'm just going to show you how I cut them. You can use a food processor or anything you like. I don't like they're too thin in the food processor for me, so I'm just going to cut them. And that's all you do for that. And here they are. So you take you cut 6 cups of cucumbers. I use the long ones right now because cucumbers aren't in season yet here, except in the greenhouses. And this is one red onion, but you don't have to use a red onion. You can use a white onion. Any onion will do. So they're all ready to go. Now, then we do the wet ingredients. So you need 1½ cups of vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Because it's so big, I just do half of a tablespoon. Put that in there. And 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, which is a tiny one. And you just stir all this together. Make sure the turmeric is dissolved in the sugar and vinegar. And then pour it on your pickles and your onion, your cucumbers and onion. Make sure you get all the sugar out of the bottom. Give these a stir. And you see, they just like that. You might not think it's enough liquid, but it is. Now we're going to put them in the microwave for 15 minutes. Halfway through, you stop the microwave and take them out and just give them a stir, and then put them back in for the remaining time. And we'll get back to you after we put them in the microwave. Thank you. Now we're ready to take the microwave pickles out of the microwave. And here's what we have. They're ready to put into jars. You can sterilize the jars as you do in other pickles and the tops, and you can put them in the jars and seal them, or I just put them in a jar like this one.
And what kind of salt do you use?
Oh, yes, I forgot to tell you. Never use iodized salt when you're making pickles. You can get pickling salt at the store, so that's the salt to use. Do not use iodized. So you just fill up And that's all there is to it. I can continue filling this, but it's not very hard to do. And these are not hard to do. Thank you for watching me making microwave bread and butter pickles. I hope this helps you start making pickles the easy way. When you exhibit at the fair, we have prizes. They are supplied by Bernadine, and they're good prizes. So try your hand and make some pickles for the fair next year. Thank you. Bye for now.